Want to sound more sophisticated in your business emails and understand news articles better? Let's master the word garner today. Garner simply means to earn, collect, or gather something, usually something good like attention, support, or praise. Think of it as a more professional way to say get or earn. In business, you'll hear it everywhere. A new product might garner positive reviews from customers. A presentation could garner approval from the board. Or maybe your innovative idea will garner recognition from your boss. It sounds much more impressive than just saying got good reviews, right? In news articles, garner appears constantly. Politicians garner support for their policies. Movies garner critical acclaim at film festivals. Companies garner investor interest with new technologies. Once you know this word, you'll spot it everywhere. Here's your quick exercise. How would you use garner to describe a successful social media campaign? Think about it for a moment. You might say it garnered thousands of likes and shares, or garnered widespread attention. Great job learning with me today. Next time, we'll explore another powerful business vocabulary word that'll make you sound even more professional. See you then.